Okay, in question 11, okay, it's described that there's a window. Alright, so this is a window. Okay, and you have a ladder of length 2.5 meters. 2.5 meters. So the ladder of length 2.5 meters, it rests against the top of the window. Alright, so length is 2.5. 5 meters. Alright, and at the same time, when it is resting against the top, it forms an angle with the ground. Alright, this angle is 55 degrees. Okay, 55 degrees. Now, the question mentioned, okay, this same ladder of 25 meters, alright, is being rested against the bottom of the window. Okay, so this length is also 25. Alright, not 25, 2.5. And the angle that it forms is 3.8 degrees. 38 degrees, sorry. 38 degrees. Okay, so the question wants us to calculate the height of the window. Alright, one thing that we can use, alright, is that the walls of the building will always be perpendicular to the ground. Okay, so we can conclude this angle here is a right angle. So in this diagram, we have actually two right angle triangles. Alright, so the height of the window, it will be can be calculated if we find the side of each right angle triangle. Okay, and we subtract, we will be able to get the window, the length, the height of the height of the window. Okay, the height of the window. And I do agree that the question can be a bit ambiguous. Some of you may think that the height of the window may be here. Okay, this is what you may interpret as this is the height of the window. Alright, but I think the question will not ask you to calculate for this height here that I've drawn in green color. Okay, simply because they would have given you more than enough information to calculate. Alright, in fact, if you want to calculate this height, you wouldn't need this 53 degree angle. Okay, this right angle triangle with this 53 degrees. So therefore, they are asking you to calculate the height as in from the bottom to the top of the window. Okay, the size of the window. Alright, so now let's start our calculation. Okay, before we calculate, alright, what we know is that we can use this height from the top, from ground to the top of the window, okay, and subtract by the height from bottom of the window to the ground. Alright, so the difference here will be our answer. Alright, so in order to present our working nicely, okay, we can let this shorter height be L, from the lower part of the window to the ground be L, and the height that is from the top part of the window to the ground be T. Okay, so when we present our working, it will be more, it will be better for teachers to understand. So for this first triangle, alright, this triangle that the ladder rests against the top of the window. Okay, now we have T is our opposite side and 2.5 is hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse, we use sine 53 degrees equals to T over 2.5. Alright, T over 2.5. So T, the height T will be 2.5 times sine 53 degrees. Okay, and next to find this height L, okay, so sine 38 degrees equals to L over 2.5. Okay, 2.5 is the hypotenuse, L is opposite 38 degrees. Okay, so L equals to 2.5 times sine 53 degrees. Sine 38 degrees. Okay, so to find the height of the window, alright, we use the height t minus L. Okay, so we can calculate 2.5 sine 53 degrees minus 2.5 sine 38 degrees. Okay, so our answer will be 1.617155. So round off to 3 significant figures. Alright, we will get, okay, 162 cm. Okay, if you read the question, it is stated that you must give your answers in cm. Okay, so we convert meters to cm, we multiply by 100. Alright, so that's how I get 162 cm as my answer.